Hello students and welcome to the lecture. So students, as you can see here that we are going to start the discussion over the wildlife sanctuaries in India part 2. Okay. In the previous lecture what we have discussed that was the part 1. Now in this lecture what we are going to discuss is the part 2. So in this part 2 we are going to discuss about the wildlife sanctuaries in India in the following areas: Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha, Punjab, Puducherry, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, West Bengal, Delhi, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Mizoram. Then Manipur, Sikkim, Nagaland, Meghalaya, and Tripura. In the previous lecture, we had discussed about the various things and we had discussed the differences and the similarities in the national park and the wildlife sanctuaries. I hope you revise them all in a proper manner because the things are important from the exam point of view. Before starting this lecture, as usual, we have our small disclaimer presented over here. Like, the images used in a slide deck are for educational purposes only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and the owners of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this tag and have any concerns or issues, please contact us at sathi@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the images. Now, let's begin with the list of wildlife sanctuaries in India and the facts regarding this. First state that we are going to discuss in this lecture, that is going to be our Madhya Pradesh. So, in order to talk about the Madhya Pradesh, the first one is our Bagdara Wildlife Sanctuary. Bagdara Wildlife Sanctuary is located in the Siddhi district of central Indian state Madhya Pradesh. The Bagdara Wildlife Sanctuary got established in the year of 1978. So, by seeing this year, we could say the Wildlife Protection Act got passed in the year of 1972 and that got established in 6 years down of the passage of the act, which means 1978. So it was one of the earliest wildlife sanctuaries and the national parks that got established when the act got passed in 1972. Thereafter, the next one is our the Bori Wildlife Sanctuary. So this is an wildlife sanctuary which is lie in the Hoshangabad district of Madhya Pradesh in central India. Alright. This Bori Wildlife Sanctuary includes India's oldest forest preserve, the Bori Reserve Forest. So you could see that the Bori Reserve Forest actually established in 1865 along the Teva River. So we could see that this reserve was not actually established even after the 1972 when the act was passed. That was pre-existed during the British time era. It means in 1865, actually the Bori Reserve Forest got established that got further modified in the Wildlife Sanctuary after the passage of the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. Then, Gandhi Sagar Sanctuary. It is a wildlife sanctuary situated on the northern boundary of Mandsaur and Neemach districts in Madhya Pradesh, India. Mandsaur and Neemach district in Madhya Pradesh, India. After this comes the Ghati Gaon Wildlife Sanctuary. This Ghati Gaon Wildlife Sanctuary is located in the Gwalior district of Madhya Pradesh. Then Karera Wildlife Sanctuary. Karera Wildlife Sanctuary is a wildlife sanctuary lies in the Shivpuri district of Madhya Pradesh, India. Kane Ghadial Sanctuary. So basically, Kane Ghadial Cemetery is at the confluence of the Kane and the Khuddar river, which means that these two rivers are basically confluenced with each other, or we could say basically met with each other or intersect the each other. At this intersection or the confluence center, there is a Ghadial Cemetery, which is known as the Kane Ghadial, because the Kane river is the major river out of these two rivers of Kane and Khuddar. Right? Ghadial is also the part of the reptiles that we have in India, and also we can say there are some special efforts that have been put to conserve them, especially in this Rajasthan area and that Madhya Pradesh area, because mainly the Ghadials are dominated in these regions. Like if you go to the southern or southeastern Rajasthan, then there is a very famous river, Chambal River. Okay, so that Chambal River is actually a main reservoir for ghadials and other type of reptiles. So that lies in the Chhatarpur district of Madhya Pradesh. Then we have Khioni Wildlife Sanctuary. The Khioni Wildlife Sanctuary is a very popular tourist attraction in Madhya Pradesh, and actually it was established in 1955, which means prior to the Wildlife Protection Act. Narsingarh Wildlife Sanctuary. This sanctuary is among one of the 35 sanctuaries that lies in the state of Madhya Pradesh. This Narsingarh Wildlife Sanctuary was established in the year of 1978, and that lies under the Forest Division of Rajgarh Social Forestry. Rajgarh Social Forestry. As I have told you, Chambal. Now we have this here. National Chambal Ghadial Wildlife Sanctuary. This National Chambal Ghadial Wildlife Sanctuary is a 5,400 kilometer square. 5,400 kilometer square long wildlife sanctuary, and that is a tri-state protected area in northern India. Tri-state means that this Chambal Ghadial Wildlife Sanctuary is not particularly lie in the one area, but actually it is lie in the three states. It is basically made for the protection of the critically endangered ghadial. If we're talking about the wildlife sanctuaries and national park, then let me tell you, basically there are the three categories of the animals. The protection animals: extinct, vulnerable, and endangered. The extinct category is used for those species which have been extincted or which have been lost from the Earth's environment or the ecosystem. Then comes the endangered species. Endangered species stands out for those species which having the tendency to get extinct or fall into the category of extinct species. The last one, that is the vulnerable. The vulnerable species are those species that could be at any time be in the endangered species category. So there are the three categories we use in order to conserve the animals. So basically, this National Chambal Ghadial Wildlife Sanctuary was especially established in order to preserve the critically endangered ghadial. Which means the Indian ghadials are actually in a condition to get extinct because they are critically endangered. And along with this, the another species that to be protected from this wildlife sanctuary was the red-crowned roof turtle and endangered Ganga's river dolphin. Like many times you have listened about this, dolphins are also found in the Ganga river. All right. So these Ganga dolphins are also very very rare. So in order to protect them, also we had established this particular sanctuary. This sanctuary is located in the Chambal River near the tri-junctional point of three states of Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and then Uttar Pradesh. Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and then Uttar Pradesh. It was first declared in the Madhya Pradesh in 1978. So when the sanctuary got established, basically it is established in the majority section of Madhya Pradesh. Later on, it got further extended into the states of Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh. After this, now we have Nauradehi Wildlife Sanctuary. So, Nauradehi Wildlife Sanctuary covers the area of 1197 square kilometers. That is the largest wildlife sanctuary of Madhya Pradesh state in India. Then, Orcha Wildlife Sanctuary. This Orcha Wildlife Sanctuary lies within the area through which actually the Betwa River flows. It is one of the most scenic places in Madhya Pradesh due to its topographical significance. Then, the Panchmadi Biosphere Reserve. This is a known-use conservation area and biosphere reserve in Satpura range of Madhya Pradesh state in central India. Then again in Madhya Pradesh, there is a Kuno Wildlife Sanctuary. The Kuno Wildlife Sanctuary is also called as Palpur Kuno Wildlife Sanctuary and by the third name of Kunu Palpur. This lies in the Shiopur district of northwestern Madhya Pradesh. And then we have Gango. So Gangu is a mini wildlife sanctuary that lies on the banks of Ken River. And because Ken River flows through the Chhatarpur district, so that wildlife sanctuary also lies in the Chhatarpur district of Madhya Pradesh. Then we have Panpatha Wildlife Sanctuary. So this Panpatha Wildlife Sanctuary is lied at Bandhavgarh. It is one of the most preferred wildlife sanctuaries in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Then we have Panch National Park. So the Panch National Park, situated in the Seoni and Chhindwara district of Madhya Pradesh, India. It is one of the most popular national park to be visited in India. Then, Fain Wildlife Sanctuary. The Fain Wildlife Sanctuary of Madhya Pradesh is spread over an area of 111 square kilometers, and that got established in the year of 1983. Then, the another one was Ratapani Tiger Reserve. The Ratapani Tiger Reserve, located in Raisen district of Madhya Pradesh, in Vindhyachal range in central India, is one of the finest teak forest in state, and it is less than 50 kilometers away from the capital Bhopal. So it is, we could say, also an very you can say famous tourist area and could be easily accessible because it is only, or we could say even less than 50 kilometers from the capital, which means Bhopal city. After this, again in Madhya Pradesh, we have Sailana Wildlife Sanctuary. This lies in Sailana and Piploda blocks of Ratlam district of Madhya Pradesh. Then we have Sanjay Dhubri National Park. Sanjay Dhubri National Park is another wildlife paradise that is located in the Kusumi and Majholi blocks of Siddhi district of central India, Madhya Pradesh. Then we have Sardarpur Wildlife Sanctuary that lies in the Dhar district of Madhya Pradesh, and basically it was notified as the wildlife sanctuary in the year of 1983. Then Singhori Wildlife Sanctuary. It is most popular tourist destination of Madhya Pradesh. After this, we have the Son Ghadial Wildlife Sanctuary. The Son Ghadial Wildlife Sanctuary lies in the Siddhi district of Madhya Pradesh, and that was declared a wildlife sanctuary in 1981 by the state government. Then Virangna Durgavati Wildlife Sanctuary. It is a wildlife sanctuary in Damoh district of Madhya Pradesh, India. After Madhya Pradesh, now we have to discuss about the Maharashtra. So, in Maharashtra, the first that we could discuss is the Taduba Andhari Reserve. Tandura Andhari Reserve is the largest national park that lies in the state of Maharashtra. After this, we have Anedham Wildlife Sanctuary. It's a popular wildlife preserver in the western Indian state of Maharashtra. Then, Bhamragad Wildlife Sanctuary. Bhamragad Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Chandrapur district in Vidarbha region of Maharashtra. Then, Bhimshankar Wildlife Sanctuary. Located on the crest line of the northwestern Ghats in Pune and Thane district, which means Bhimshankar Wildlife Sanctuary in actual covers the two districts of Maharashtra, Pune and Thane. Boar Tiger Reserve. Boar Tiger Reserve, it's a wildlife sanctuary declared as a tiger reserve in July 2014. It is located near Hingani in Wardha district, Indian state of Maharashtra. Chapral Wildlife Sanctuary, located in heart of Maharashtra and lies in the Gadchiroli district. Danyan Ganga Sanctuary, situated 8 km from Buldhana and 20 km from Khamgaon town of Maharashtra. Gautala Autram Ghat Sanctuary. It is a protected area of Maharashtra state, India. The wildlife sanctuary got established in 1986 in an existing reserved forest area. Great Indian Bustard Sanctuary. It is the Great Indian Bustard Sanctuary at Solapur, Maharashtra, India. Then Jayakwadi Wildlife Sanctuary in Aurangabad and Ahmednagar districts of Maharashtra. It is one of the most fascinating bird sanctuaries because of their birds conservation and the topographical arrivals. Then Karnala. Karnala is the protected wildlife park on the Konkan coast of Maharashtra. That lies around 50 kilometers from Bombay. Kate Purna Sanctuary. That is the wildlife sanctuary located in Akola district of Maharashtra. Then Koyna Wildlife Sanctuary. This is the wildlife sanctuary and natural world heritage site. Lies in the Satara district of the Indian state of Maharashtra. Then Malwan Marine Wildlife Sanctuary. It's among few marine sanctuaries in India, situated in the Sindhugarh district of Maharashtra. Mounsing Dev, that is the wildlife sanctuary which has been notified as a wildlife sanctuary by the Maharashtra government. Notification was first proposed in the year of 1980 and it has taken more than 2 decades of lobbying to be declared as a sanctuary. Then Mayureshwar Wildlife Sanctuary, located in Tehsil Baramati, Pune district in Maharashtra, India. After this, Melghat was declared as a tiger reserve and was amongst the first 9 tiger reserves got notified in 1973 to 1994 under the Project Tiger. Located in northern part of Amravati district of Maharashtra state in India. Then Nagzira Wildlife Sanctuary, located in the Bandara district in the northeastern corner of Maharashtra. Then Mayureshwar Wildlife Sanctuary, located in Tehsil Baramati in Pune. And after this, we have Nandur Madmeshwar Wildlife Sanctuary, that located in the Niphat Tehsil of Nasik district, known as the Bharatpur of Maharashtra. Thereafter, Karnala. Karnala is a protected wildlife park on the Konkan coast of Maharashtra, which is around 50 kilometers from Bombay. Thereafter, we have Navegaon National Park. That is a national park located in the Gondia district of Maharashtra, India. Then we have Penganga Wildlife Sanctuary, located in Umarkhed Tehsil of Yavatmal district of Indian state of Maharashtra. Then Pansad Wildlife Sanctuary is a wildlife refuge in the Murud and Roha taluks of Raigad district, Maharashtra state, India. Radha Nagri Wildlife Sanctuary is a wildlife sanctuary and the natural world heritage site of category 9th and 10th since 2012, located in Kolhapur district, Maharashtra, India. Sagareshwar Wildlife Sanctuary, protected area in the Indian state of Maharashtra, located at the meeting of three tehsils of Sangheli districts, Kadegaon, Walwa and Palus. Tansa Wildlife Sanctuary, located in Wada, Shahapur and Mokhada taluks in the Thane district of Maharashtra. Then we have Tipeshwar Wildlife Sanctuary, lies in Yavatmal district, is a scheduled national park in Maharashtra. Then Yaval Wildlife Sanctuary, located in the Yaval Tehsil of Jalagaon district of Maharashtra, India. Then we have Yedashri Ramleen Ghat Wildlife Sanctuary, located in Osamnabad district of the Indian state of Maharashtra. It is the home to rich biodiversity of flora and fauna both. Now after Maharashtra we have Odisha. Odisha, the first is Badrama Wildlife Sanctuary, also known as Usha Koti Wildlife Sanctuary, situated in Sambalpur district of Odisha, established in 1962. Then Besipalli Wildlife Sanctuary. It was created as an wildlife sanctuary on 6th May 1981, located in Nayagarh, Odisha, India. Then Balukhand Konark Wildlife Sanctuary. It is a wildlife sanctuary located in the Indian state of Odisha. Thereafter, the Bhitarkanika Wildlife Sanctuary. Then it is lies in the Kendrapara district of Odisha. Then Chandaka Elephant Sanctuary is a wildlife reserve located in the northwestern fringe of Bhubaneswar in the Indian state of Odisha. Then Devrigad Wildlife Sanctuary in Bargarh district, Odisha, India. Gahirmatha Marine Sanctuary. It is an marine wildlife sanctuary, lies in the Odisha, and it is very popular tourist attraction of Odisha in India. Hadgad Wildlife Sanctuary, situated in Keonjhar district of Odisha, covering an area of 191 square kilometers, established in 1978. Karlapat Wildlife Sanctuary, located in Kalahandi district and very popular tourist attraction of Odisha in India. Kalasuni Wildlife Sanctuary vividly illustrate the diverse natural heritage of the East Indian states of Odisha. Kotagad Wildlife Sanctuary, located in Baliguda subdivision of Khandamal district in the East Indian state of Odisha. Then Kuldiha Wildlife Sanctuary, situated in the Balasore district of Odisha, India. Sunabeda Wildlife Sanctuary, Purpose Tiger Reserve, located in Nuapada district of Odisha, adjoining the Chhattisgarh. The Lakhari Valley Wildlife Sanctuary lies in Ganjaman district, Odisha, India. Nandakan Geological Park. It is actually a 400-hectare zoo and botanical garden which lies in Bhubaneswar, India. Established in 1960, it was opened to the public in 1979 and became the first zoo in India to join the World Association of Zoos and Aquariums, that is in short known as WAZA, and that was the year of 2009. Then Satkoshia Tiger Reserve that lies in the Angol district of Odisha. Then Simlipal National Park located in the Mayurbhanj district of Odisha. The government of Odisha declared Simlipal as a wildlife sanctuary in 1979 with an area of 2,200 square kilometers. Kapilasa Wildlife Sanctuary or Kapilash Wildlife Sanctuary, situated in Denkanal district of Odisha state in India. After this, now we have the state of Punjab. If we talk about the Punjab, the first is Abohar Wildlife Sanctuary that lies in the Fazilka district of Punjab. Then we have Bir Ishwan Wildlife Sanctuary. That is the first protected area to be declared as an wildlife sanctuary in the state of Punjab. Then Bir Batson Wildlife Sanctuary is one of the biggest secured wildlife sanctuaries in Punjab. Then Bir Buneri Wildlife Sanctuary was one of the two important hunting reserves of the erstwhile rulers of Patiala state of Punjab. Then Bir Dosanjh Wildlife Sanctuary situated in the Patiala district, Punjab. Then Gurdilpura Wildlife Sanctuary located in the Patiala district of Indian state of Punjab. Then Bir Mehaswala Wildlife Sanctuary named after the village Mehas, which is located in the Punjab. Thereafter, Bir Moti Bagh Wildlife Sanctuary situated in the southern part of Patiala in the Indian state of Punjab. It is home to a rich biodiversity of flora and fauna. Thereafter, Jajjar Bacholi Wildlife Sanctuary located at a distance of 15 kilometers from the Anandpur Sahib city in Roopnagar district of Punjab. Khatalahur Kushlian Wildlife Sanctuary, established on sanctuary in 2007. It is one of the largest sanctuaries in Punjab and home to various species of deer and ungulatus. Then Puducherry. The Australian Log of Puducherry has been declared as a wildlife sanctuary by the government in 2008. Then Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, the first that we have is a Bassi Wildlife Sanctuary. It is near Bassi in Chittorgarh district of Rajasthan. Bans Road Gird Sanctuary, located in the Chittorgarh district of Rajasthan in India. Then we have Darra National Park in Rajasthan. It is India's national park that got established in 2004, consisting of the three wildlife sanctuaries: Darra Wildlife Sanctuary, Chambal Wildlife Sanctuary, and Jawahar Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary. Please note that the area covered under the wildlife sanctuaries is often smaller than in comparison with the national parks. So generally, various wildlife sanctuaries are got comprised within the national parks, but no national park would be comprised in wildlife sanctuaries. Okay, so remember this. So we could say a national park could even a wildlife sanctuary, but a wildlife sanctuary will never be a national park. So the Darra National Park located within the Kathiawar Gir dry deciduous forest ecoregion, and as we know, it covers the area of Darra Wildlife Sanctuary, Chambal Wildlife Sanctuary, and Jawahar Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary. Then we have Jamwa Ramgarh, also popularly known as the Ramgarh. It is a subdivision of the Jaipur district in Rajasthan, India. After this, we have Jawahar Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary, located near the Jawahar Sagar Dam in Kota district of Rajasthan. Then Kesarbagh Wildlife Sanctuary, located in Dholpur district of Rajasthan. Then Kumbhalgarh Wildlife Sanctuary, it is in the Rajsamand district of Rajasthan state in western India. Mount Abu Wildlife Sanctuary, located in one of the oldest mountain ranges of India, Aravalli Range, got declared as a wildlife sanctuary in 1980. Thereafter, the Phulwadi Ki Naal Wildlife Sanctuary, that is located in Udaipur district of Rajasthan, in the southern Aravalli Hills bordering the state of Gujarat, was declared as a wildlife sanctuary on October 6, 1983 by the government of Rajasthan and got declared as a wildlife sanctuary in 1980. Thereafter in Ramgarh, Vishdhari Sanctuary, it is a famous one amongst the wildlife sanctuaries and national parks in India. After this, the Kumbhalgarh Wildlife Sanctuary. It is in the Rajsamand district of Rajasthan state in western India. Sarishka Wildlife Sanctuary, located in Alwar district of Rajasthan. Sarishka Wildlife Sanctuary National Park was once the hunting preserve of Maharaja of Alwar, declared a sanctuary in 1955 and later become a Project Tiger Reserve. Ranthambore National Park is one of the largest national parks situated in Rajasthan, India. Thereafter, the Savai Mansingh Wildlife Sanctuary, located at a distance of around 10 kilometers from the mainland of Modhpur city, Rajasthan. Shergarh Wildlife Sanctuary, located in Baran district of Rajasthan and is near the ancient town of Shergarh. The Sita Mata Wildlife Sanctuary, it is a wildlife sanctuary situated in the Pratapgarh district in Rajasthan, India. Then Tal Chhappar Sanctuary, it is located in the Churu district of northwestern Rajasthan in the Shekhawati range of India. Van Vihar Wildlife Sanctuary, located in the Indian state of Rajasthan. After Rajasthan, now we have to discuss the Tamil Nadu. First is the Kaveri North Wildlife Sanctuary, protected area located in the Dharmapuri and Krishna Nagari districts of Tamil Nadu, India. Chitrangudi Bird Sanctuary, famously or locally known as the Chitrangudi Kanmuli, protected area declared in 1989 and part of Chitrangudi village, Mudukalatur Taluk, Ramnathapuram district in Tamil Nadu, India. After this, the Indira Gandhi National Park and the sanctuary that was formerly known as the Annamalai Wildlife Sanctuary lies in the Coimbatore district of Tamil Nadu at the southern part of Nilgiri Biosphere Reserves in the Annamalai Hills. Then Kalakkad Mundathurai Tiger Reserve, located in the southwestern Ghats in Tirunelveli districts and Kanyakumari districts in the South Indian state of Tamil Nadu. It is the second largest protected area in the Tamil Nadu state. After this comes the Kanjirankulam Bird Sanctuary, which is about 1004 square kilometers area near Mudukalathur, Ramnathapuram district, Tamil Nadu. After this, the Kanyakumari Wildlife Sanctuary, nearly about 402 square kilometers protected area lies in the Kanyakumari districts of the state. Declared as an wildlife sanctuary in February 2008, and that is a tiger habitat. Then Kriyaveti Wildlife Sanctuary is about 4,537 square kilometers. That is lies in the Arayalur districts of the state of Tamil Nadu, India. Then Karikili Bird Sanctuary is about 61.21 hectare protected area located in Kanchipuram district of the state of Tamil Nadu, India. Then we have the Palani Hills Wildlife Sanctuary and a national park, that is the Purpose Protected Area in Dundigal district, Tamil Nadu, state of South India. Then Kuntakulam Bird Sanctuary or Kuntamkulam, that is about 1,293 square kilometers protected area, declared as a sanctuary in 1994. Adjoins the tiny village of Kuntakulam in Nangunari Taluk of Tirunelveli district, Tamil Nadu, India. After this, the Mudumali National Park or Wildlife Sanctuary is now declared as a tiger reserve also, suited in Tamil Nadu. Usudu Lake Bird Sanctuary lies in the Tamil Nadu. Point Calimar Sanctuary in Tamil Nadu is an important wildlife preserve. Pulikat Lake Sanctuary, it is famously known as 4,081 square kilometers long area that lies in Nellore, Chittor districts of Andhra Pradesh, and protected area in Tiruvallur district of Tamil Nadu, and it lies in the region of Ilavur. Then Satyamangalam Wildlife Sanctuary and Tiger Reserve. It is a protected area and tiger reserve along the Western Ghats in India, state of Tamil Nadu. Then we have Udaya Martandanpuram Bird Sanctuary. It is 45 square kilometers protected area in Thiruvarur district, Tamil Nadu, India. Vaduvur Bird Sanctuary is a bird sanctuary located in the town of Vaduvur in Thiruvarur district in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. Then Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary. It is a 30-hectare protected area in the Kanchipuram districts of the state of Tamil Nadu, India. After this, the Velod Bird Sanctuary. It is a sanctuary located in the Erode district in the state of Tamil Nadu, India. Then, the Vetangudi Bird Sanctuary. It lies in the Shivganga district in the Tamil Nadu. Now we have the Uttar Pradesh. First is the Bakhira Bird Sanctuary. It is the largest natural floodplain wetland in Sant Kabir Nagar district of eastern Uttar Pradesh. That got established in 1980. Chandraprabha Wildlife Sanctuary, also known as Chandraprabha, lies in the Chandauli district of Uttar Pradesh in central India. Thereafter, the Hastinapur Sanctuary, that founded in 1986 in Meerut, Muzaffarnagar, Ghaziabad, Bijnor and Amroha district of Uttar Pradesh, India. Kamur Wildlife Sanctuary lies in Sonbhadra and Mirzapur district of southeastern Uttar Pradesh. Then, Katraniya Ghat Wildlife Sanctuary. It is a protected area in the upper Gangetic Plain in Uttar Pradesh, India. In 1987, it was brought under the purview of the Project Tiger, and together with the Kishanpur Wildlife Sanctuary and Dudhwa National Park, it forms the Dudhwa Tiger Reserve, which was established in 1975. The Kishanpur Wildlife Sanctuary, it is a part of Dudhwa Tiger Reserve near Melani in Uttar Pradesh, India. Thereafter, Lak Bosai Sanctuary is a bird sanctuary spread over 2 jheels, shallow lakes near the village of Lak and Bahusi in Kannauj district, Uttar Pradesh. Mahavir Swami Sanctuary, it is one of the most famous wildlife sanctuaries in Uttar Pradesh. Thereafter, the National Chambal Sanctuary is a famous for rare Gangetic dolphin. Sanctuary was founded in 1979, is a part of the large area co-administered by Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. The Okla Bird Sanctuary, roughly about 4 square kilometers in size, situated at the entrance of Noida in Gautam Budh Nagar district of Uttar Pradesh. Then, Parvati Aranga Bird Sanctuary, one of the largest natural floodplain in wetland Uttar Pradesh. Patna Vihar Sanctuary is a protected area in the Jalesa subdivision of Eta district in Uttar Pradesh. Ranipur Wildlife Sanctuary, founded in 1977, one of the attractions of Chitrakoot district in Uttar Pradesh. Saman Bird Sanctuary in Mainpuri district in Western Uttar Pradesh got established in 1990. Samaspur Sanctuary, situated in near Salon in Raebareli district, Uttar Pradesh. Sandhi Bird Sanctuary is a bird sanctuary in Hardoi district of Uttar Pradesh, India. Sohagi Barwa Wildlife Sanctuary is in Maharajganj district in Uttar Pradesh. Thereafter, the Sohelwa Wildlife Sanctuary is around 67 kilometers from Balrampur, situated about 42 kilometers from Gonda in UP, Saraswati and Balram district. Declared a wildlife sanctuary in 1988. Sur Sarovar Bird Sanctuary is a small but important bird sanctuary of Uttar Pradesh. Jayaprakash Narayan Bird Sanctuary is located in Uttar Pradesh. The Kachua Sanctuary is in Varanasi district in Uttar Pradesh, India. These are different species of tortoise, Ganga dolphin and other water animals which can be found here. Tortoise Sanctuary was declared on 21st December 1989. Vijay Sagar Sanctuary, located in Mahuba district of Uttar Pradesh, founded in 1990. Pilibhit Tiger Reserve, located in the Pilibhit district, Lakhimpur Kheri district and Bhairaj district of Uttar Pradesh state in India. Now we have the Uttarakhand. Nandaur Wildlife Sanctuary is a wildlife sanctuary in Uttarakhand, India, created in 2012. Ashok Musk Deer Sanctuary, located in 54 km from Pithoragarh near Askot in Uttarakhand state. Binsar Wildlife Sanctuary, located in the Himalayas on top of Jhandi Dar Hills, about 33 km north of Almora town in Uttarakhand. Govind Pashu Bihar National Park and Sanctuary, established initially as a wildlife sanctuary in 1985 and later converted into the national park. Kedarnath Wildlife Sanctuary, also called as the Kedarnath Musk Deer Sanctuary, is a national sanctuary in Uttarakhand, India. Sona Nadi Wildlife Sanctuary is an undisturbed wildlife haven tucked between the Corbett and Nazi National Parks in Uttarakhand. Got established on 9 January 1987 to protect the biodiversity-rich region between these important wildlife conservation destinations. Now we have the West Bengal. Ballabpur Wildlife Sanctuary, Established in 1977, this wooded area is located near Shanti Niketan in Bolpur subdivision of Birbhum district in the Indian state of West Bengal. Thereafter, Betuadhari Wildlife Sanctuary lies in the Betadharu town, Nakasipur area of Nadia district, West Bengal, India. The Buxa Tiger Reserve, another one, is 760 square kilometers tiger reserve located inside the Buxa National Park in West Bengal, India. Then, Chapramari Wildlife Sanctuary, one of the oldest sanctuary in India, lies in the Nagarakata block of Jalpaiguri district. Chintamani Curve Bird Sanctuary, situated at the South Kolkata and near Narendrapur Ramakrishna Mission. It is also known as Kayalre Bagan. Thereafter, the Holiday Islands Sanctuary. It is one of the finest sanctuaries in the nation as well as in the state of West Bengal. Jore Pokhri Wildlife Sanctuary lies in the Darjeeling district, West Bengal. Lothian Wildlife Sanctuary lies in the 24 Pargana district, West Bengal. Mahananda Wildlife Sanctuary, located on the foothills of the Himalayas between the Tista and Mahanadi rivers, situated in the Darjeeling district of West Bengal, India. Raiganj Wildlife Sanctuary, situated near Raiganj in the Uttar Dinajpur district in the Indian state of West Bengal. Ramna Bagan Wildlife Sanctuary is in the Bardwan, West Bengal, India. Sanjana Khali Wildlife Sanctuary is 362 square kilometer area in the north part of Sundarbans Delta in South 24 Parganas district. Senchal Wildlife Sanctuary, 1915, Darjeeling district of West Bengal. Now we have Delhi. Asola Bhati Wildlife Sanctuary, that is lies southern edge of the city of Delhi at Asola near Tughlakabad in Delhi NCT. Thereafter, Arunachal Pradesh. First is Daying Earing Memorial Wildlife Sanctuary in Arunachal Pradesh held all the necessary character to approve a strong eco-tourism sector. The Dibyang Wildlife Sanctuary is one of the 8 wildlife sanctuaries of Arunachal Pradesh, India. Eagle Nest or Eagle's Nest Wildlife Sanctuary is a protected area of India in the Himalayan foothills of the West Kamang district, Arunachal Pradesh. Kamlang Wildlife Sanctuary, got established in 1989, is a rich in flora and fauna, lies in the Lohot district of the northeastern state of Arunachal Pradesh. Thereafter, one of the most beautiful bird reserve in India is Itanagar Wildlife Sanctuary, covers 140 square kilometers, located in Naharlagun, Itanagar. Then Mahoyo Wildlife Sanctuary, Pakke Tiger Reserve, Pakui Wildlife Sanctuary, Sesa Orchid Sanctuary, Tally Valley Wildlife Sanctuary, and Yardi Rabbe Supers Wildlife Sanctuaries. These all lies in the Arunachal Pradesh. Now we have Assam. First is Amchang Wildlife Sanctuary in Guwahati city. Second is Borain Wildlife Sanctuary in Kakar and Dima Hasao district. Thereafter, the Bor Nadi Wildlife Sanctuary lies in Udalguri and Baksa district of Assam. Then Beerchan Borajan Padumani Wildlife Sanctuary lies near the Tinsukia district. Then Bhora Chapori Wildlife Sanctuary lies in the Assam. Thereafter, Chakrashila Wildlife Sanctuary lies under the Dhubri and Kokrajhar district of Assam. Deep Bor Beel Wildlife Sanctuary lies in Kamruk district in Guwahati. Dehing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary is the only rainforest in Assam. East Karbi Anglong Wildlife Sanctuary lies in the Assam. Karampani Wildlife Sanctuary lies in the Karbi Anglong, Assam. Thereafter, Holungapur Gibbon Sanctuary is an isolated protected area of evergreen forest, lies in Assam, got established in 1977. Lok Hoa Wildlife Sanctuary, thereafter the Marat Longri, that got established in 2003. Nambor Wildlife Sanctuary lies in the Karbi Anglong. Thereafter, Nambor During also lies in the Golaghat, Morangi. Then Pobitora and Pabitora lies in Morigaon district. Then Panidihang lies in Shivsagar, and Soni Rupai lies in the state of Assam. Then we have Mizoram. Dampa Tiger Reserve in 1994, Kavlang Wildlife Sanctuary, that is 170 square kilometers and lies near the Aizawl, Mizoram. Leintang Wildlife Sanctuary, thereafter the Naging Point Wildlife Sanctuary, 110 square kilometers, lies near the Indo-Bangladesh border. Purling Wildlife Sanctuary lies in the northern Mizoram. Tawai Wildlife Sanctuary, it is one of the finest sanctuaries in the northeastern India. Torantlang Wildlife Sanctuary and Palak Toklu Wildlife Sanctuary, both are located in Mizoram. Thereafter, the Manipur. Khongjangoi Ching Wildlife Sanctuary lies in Manipur, established in the year of 2016. Yongsung Lakchao Wildlife Sanctuary, located in the Chandel district of Indian state Manipur on the Indo-Myanmar border. Now we have Sikkim. Wardse Rhododendron Sanctuary or Wardse Rhododendron Sanctuary occupies 104 square kilometers in Singhalila range in western Sikkim. Thereafter, Phangmolo Wildlife Sanctuary, Ketam Bird Sanctuary, and Keong Solwa Alpine Sanctuary, which lies in the East Sikkim. Thereafter, Myanmar Wildlife Sanctuary, it is about 35 square kilometers. Pangolaka Wildlife Sanctuary is a Eastern Sikkim district, lies in the Eastern Sikkim district. Wordsey Rhododendron Sanctuary or Birdsey Rhododendron Sanctuary, which is in the Shingalila range. Now we have Nagaland. Fakim Wildlife Sanctuary, Puli Buzzard and Rangpahar Reserve Forest is one of the famous tourist attractions in Dimapur, Nagaland and the state of Nagaland. Meghalaya, Bagempara Pitcher Plant Wildlife Sanctuary. Thereafter, Nonging Khelam Wildlife Sanctuary located near Lalwet village in Ribhoi district of the Meghalaya. Thereafter, Siju Bird Sanctuary. Now we have last Tripura. Gumti Wildlife Sanctuary, Rowa Wildlife Sanctuary, Sipajila Wildlife Sanctuary and Trishna Wildlife Sanctuary. So students, here we have finished the wildlife sanctuaries in India. Okay. So with this note, let's end this lecture and thank you.